on, guys. So I kind of have a bit of a overdue video, but we're gonna be working on Sally today. And as you can see, this car is pretty dirty, and the paint, I'm not gonna say it's faded, but it's not shining like it used to. So what we're gonna do is wash up Sally today and try to put a polish on it, see how good we can get this paint to come out. This is basically like another test for me. If you watch my videos, you've seen that I've worked on my buddy's Jalen car, and I kind of was able to correct the paint that was messed up on it. If I can get this car to shine, well, no, if I don't get this car to shine, then probably don't know what I'm doing, just to let you all know. But I think I got it though, so we're gonna get the car started up and get it pulled to the back, wash it up, stuff like that. So let's get to it. As this video has been sponsored by AUXITO. First of all, big thanks to AUXITO. Really appreciate the opportunity for sending the LED bulbs that you sent. So we're gonna try these out. AUXITO is an LED light company that makes bulbs for just about any application you're looking for. So what they did for me is send me a set of 6500K, as in Kelvin, 6500 Kelvin, and we'll be putting these in rolls and see how they work. But basically the swap is easy. All you do is just, for this Foxbody right here in the background, you just unplug the lights and plug these in. As you can see, as I'm driving on the road, this is a very large difference in between the two. I think the first one is a 5000K, maybe, I'm not sure, but AUXITO for sure sent me 6500K, and I am very impressed with these light bulbs, guys. So please check AUXITO out, and if you all decide that you want to do this, I will put a link in the description that will allow you to have a 15% discount. All right, guys, for now, hit that subscribe button, like this video. Let's get back to the car, and God bless. All right, guys, Sally should not have a problem starting up. guys, that's gonna be a long job. It's gonna take a while to finish up. So I'm gonna close out right here. Sometimes I get ahead of myself and think I'm gonna finish in a whole day, but it's not gonna happen. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, please subscribe.